Today I'll show you two super simple ways to program your RCA remote for your LG TV. We'll start with the autocode search method, which is honestly the easiest. If that doesn't work, I'll walk you through the manual code entry method. Let's dive in. Alright, method 1. Autocode search. This is the one I always recommend first, because it does all the heavy lifting for you. First, make sure your LG TV is turned on. Then, grab your RCA remote, hold down the TV button on your remote. While you're still holding the TV button, press and hold the power button too, and keep holding both until that little indicator light comes on. Once that light's on, let go of both buttons. Now, point the remote straight at your TV and hit the play button just once. The remote will start sending groups of codes to your TV 10 at a time. If your TV doesn't do anything, keep pressing play. Each press cycles through another 10 codes. Keep going until your TV either turns off or on. That means the remote found the right group. Now to narrow it down, press the rewind button repeatedly. Each press tests a code from that group, one by one. When your TV finally responds again, you've got the exact code. Finish by pressing the stop button to save it, and that's it. Test out the power, volume, mute, and channel buttons on your remote to make sure everything's working. If your TV still doesn't respond, don't stress. Let's try method 2. Manual code entry. First, manually turn your LG TV on. Point your RCA remote at the TV, press and hold the TV button, and while you're holding it, enter this code, 11840. If that code doesn't work, try the next one from the RCA code list for LG TVs. After you enter a code, the indicator light on the remote should stay on or blink. Release the TV button, then press power. If your TV turns off, awesome, the code worked. Turn the TV back on with the remote and test the volume, channel, input, and mute buttons. If some buttons don't work quite right, just repeat the process with a different code from the list until everything's working smoothly. And there you have it. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy channel surfing.